And here I am then all loaded up, just waiting for dispatch now. The gates are opening. And here we go. Brand new coaster here in Paris. Oi! Whoa! What a snappy launch! Hey! Woo! That's it, we're back at the station, but hang on a minute, what about the rest of the track? What's going to happen here then? There we go. Onto the turntable here now. Oh. I do like the fact it's got a turntable. Hey! Oh. Oh no, where are we going? Backwards! Hey! What a tease! Oi! This is quite quirky. Woo! Whoa, snappy launch! Over the station. Woo! Hey, round again! I thought we were going round for another lap then. Oh! Backwards again, onto the turntable. What a unique layout. Obviously it's got the maintenance shed there on the right. Yeah, it's really different, isn't it? Would have been even better if we did another lap there though, wouldn't it? Almost 2 minutes of ride time station to station. Yeah, that was really good. I enjoyed that.